Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Group Vehicle Showcase. Today we're showcasing this Toyota CHR design in grey. It's on a 2020 plate. It's hybrid electric, automatic, and you can look at around about 57.7 miles to the gallon. So great on fuel this. As you can see, it's got diamond cut alloy wheels, 5-door, really nice grey colour. Very popular this. Really generous sized boot in these, lots of space, and those rear seats do fold as well for additional room if required. Acres of room in the back there. These part leather seats as well. Lots of headroom and legroom for your rear passengers. You've got electric windows and cup holders in the doors. Electric windows are obviously front and rear. Acres of space in the front. Really nice, fully adjustable sports style leather seats there. Just great looking cars these. Very futuristic looking. And obviously you've got Toyota's build quality and reliability. They are great cars. LED daytime running lights. You've got indicators there in the wing mirrors. Multifunction steering wheel there, and this car has done 41,969 miles. Let's jump inside, take a closer look. Just start that up. It is keyless ignition. So as you can see here, you've got a central armrest which lifts up to reveal some storage space. Also a 12-volt port there. You've got a cup holder there and another one just here. I'm going to turn that radio down there. Just bear with me. So we know the radio works. You've also got your automatic gearbox there, your parking brake. Moving up, you've got your climate control, air conditioning. It's also got heated seats, just fantastic to see, ideal for the winter. Then moving up into your digital display, which has got built-in satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth hands-free, obviously for your mobile phone. Lovely, lovely options on this car. It's also got reverse camera, and if we check the centre console there, you can see you've got your parking sensors front and rear as well. What a great car, really nice, lovely condition. Ideal for a family, very economical cars these, being a hybrid, and just a really nice colour. So, if you are interested in this vehicle, or any of our vehicles here at Roxburghe, you can always visit our website, or just give us a call today. Thank you.